What's up, guys? So pretty good update last night with the 63 T-Bird that me and my family are affectionately going to call Casper. Seems fitting. Our other T-Bird's ghost. We're still bringing this T-Bird back from the dead and bring it back to life and all of its glory that it used to have. And we're going to bring it back. That was a little uncertain with the engine where we're at until last night. So I kept this video pretty raw and uncut, so enjoy it, but I figured it had more essence with getting to see exactly how it was last night with this car. So stay tuned, let me know what you guys think. And again, a big shout out to the previous owners that, you know, let me be the next steward of this car. I really appreciate what you guys did. And yeah, I'm excited to get this thing back on the road. All right, guys, check it out. Hey guys, I don't know why I thought this was like 1.5 inches, but it looks like the crank bolt is quite a bit smaller. It's a 15/16 down there on the pulley. Unless I'm doing something weird here, but I'm gonna try and see if we can get this thing to crank over right now. Let's see if it'll crank. It moved. It is moving. Not extremely well, but it is moving. Maybe this is part of the problem. Maybe I can get a couple turns on it. Maybe it'll free it up a little bit. I suspect if it is kind of bound up a little bit, maybe if I can get it loose a little bit, it kind of free up. It's not easy to get my hands in here. But it is moving. Or was. Alright, let's try. See if I can get it to go back a little bit. This doesn't help that much. Definitely think it's stuck a little bit. There's like no room whatsoever. See if I can go the other way. Trying to see if I can rock it back and forth a little bit. She's a little stuck, but she might even start right now. She's getting there. I'm going back and forth to try and wiggle those cylinders up and down to just kind of get that garbage out of there. I'm thinking it's working. Going to check to make sure I'm not just loosening the bolt and then I'm actually moving the pulley. Oh, shit. Well, that's actually worse than I was hoping. It's just moving the bolt itself, loosening and tightening it. Unfortunately, I think the motor's stuck. So, next thing to do, we're gonna have to pour some magic on in the cylinders, let it sit for a while, cross our fingers and hope for the best. That's our next, hopefully, you know. All right, guys. Alright, so I got a little bit of juice on it. I'm still a little scared because I'm not convinced I'm not just tightening the bolt. I want to see the pulley move. I'm a little scared for that right now. So I'm going to try to do it more. Charlotte, get in here a little better so you can see, okay? Alright guys, see the crank down there? We're on the main bolt. I'm going to take this off because there's no room for my hands in here. You need to get a few rotations on this. That's going to be a win. Trying to rotate it back and forth. Let's see if we can get it to move.
It's moving. You okay?
Uh-huh. We're just gonna have to high on this thing until it wants to move. doesn't want to move, so not a problem. Kiddo, don't be in the car right now, okay? I need more leverage. 15 16ths in the star. What do you guys think?
That's nice.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
How do you not know? Oh, this is a 15 16, so it's a star. Maybe I can get more. Let's try it like this, because I think if I can get more rotations, you know. You guys see that? How many stars are in there? You don't have to zoom in that close to each other, Jane. No, you don't have to. Look, this one. See how they're different? I'm hoping if I go to this one, I can rotate
I see
it
the
sooner.
star in that one, but I don't see the star in that one.
It's there. You gotta just, you know, picture yourself in a something. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, now if I can get some leverage on it. For some reason, my leverage is not being leveragey. Well, if you didn't know, this isn't going the best, but we haven't given up yet. The motor almost certainly is seized, which means if I can break it loose,
You okay?
yeah. So far, she's not budging. Maybe I'll get this safety grip on it. Do you see the pulley moving?
Yeah, it is moving.
The bottom pulley?
Let me see. Where? Yeah,
The pulley itself?
I think, yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know, I think. Yeah.
Right now I'll take it, I think. Guys, I think I moved it.
You did. Yeah, I moved.
I really hope so, because I want this engine to come back to life.
I'm gonna be right back.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go get some water.
Okay, I'll be here. I feel like I've ate my meat and potatoes, and I feel like I ate my Wheaties. This is not easy. I think I got too much angle now. I have to try it. Just my bare hands.
Do you need water?
Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, I was on the wrong boat. I was scared. So if you guys don't know, you gotta kind of break it free where the pistons just get past all the crud. If I can do that 1 or 2 times, it's good. It's moving, but ever so barely. In fact, enough barely I'm a little scared. And I need proper leverage.
I'm back.
Just try to go back.
Wrong.
Is someone here? Or that was the machine?
That was the machine. Are you trying to pull it back?
Yeah. So, this is sticking my booty, guys. If you can't tell by the face sweat, the sweat. Probably the red face by now. Let me see what your video looks like so far. It's froze really bad. And I'm not convinced. I'm not just tightening, I'm loosening the bolt at this point. Need to get my other phone. So I can actually see.
Do you want me to hold the phone?
Oh, it's okay. Ah! Ah! Holy shit! Guys, I got it.
It's moving.
Yes! Ah! Guys, go tell mom.
Okay.
Turn it off, go tell
It's
mom.
okay.
The engine was seized and it took everything I got, but I actually broke it loose. I'm very excited right now. And We're gonna get a couple rotations on it. I felt it break loose.
It's moving.
Let me tell you, it was not easy, but I can feel it smoothing out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can feel the drivetrain in the ratchet. This is called manhood right here. If you're not familiar, grow a pair. Because that was badass. If you don't like my language, change the channel. Pero necesito más trabajo to make it perfecto. I am so happy right now because this means right now we're gonna try something else. Familia, come closer. Baby.
Wanna stop it?
No. Check it out. Okay guys, we're gonna attempt this. I want everyone to see firsthand. And if it doesn't work, we can all clown on Dad because it didn't work. But I get this vibe right now
I'm trying all your
that this car is gonna start right now. And if it doesn't, well, we know it cranks. So if it doesn't crank right now by jumping the solenoid, our starter's bad. Alright, I don't even care right now. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I got the thing to turn. I'm super happy. Let's see, guys. Can someone please make sure the car is in park? It's really important. We're having my wife make sure it's in park. If you can't tell by the sweat, I had to break the engine loose. It's in park for sure. We're gonna see if we can sparkulate something here. Let's see what happens, guys. It just cranked.
Yeah.
It just cranked. That means fuel, spark, baby. And this thing's gonna be running. Hold on, we're gonna do it again just for sport. Hear the magic of what I'm hearing right now. Listen to this, guys.
It's moving.
One more time, just for.
It's gonna shock him.
Now, just so everyone knows, I intentionally do not have fuel in this car yet. Number one, I don't have a key. Number two, that's not really an issue. I can pull cable. We have a running vehicle, guys. This will run. And this was all from taking a breaker bar on the main crank and everything I had. And it took everything I had, if you can't tell by the sweat and everything else. But she's gonna live. And the starter works, guys. All right, cut. So now we just need a little bit of gas. Haven't gone through the gas system yet, but she turns, baby. She turns. Well, check this out, guys. I have a working key. Baby, I have a working key. I have a working key. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm turning my key right now. My key.
Woo!
No more sparkulating the solenoid. I guess I need gas. Well, guys, I can't even tell you how over the moon excited I am right now. Listen to this. Oh, maybe I could. That is the sound of a battery being loosely connected, but starter works, car cranks, and I got a key. You know what? That's a good day. That's a good day, guys.